Our devotion this week comes from John chapter 3, verse 30. It says, "He must become greater, I must become less." Other versions say, "He must increase, I must decrease." Have you ever thought about what the definition of pride is and what its opposite is? If you're like me, the opposite of pride that comes to my mind is humility. But what is the definition of pride? I think the definition of pride could be thinking too highly of oneself. Well, if thinking too highly of oneself is the opposite of pride, then I would think the opposite would be to think too lowly of oneself. And that's not the definition I would give to humility. In fact, the definition to think too lowly of oneself corresponds more with the word shame. The truth is, pride and shame are really flip sides of the same coin. If you show me someone who has a lot of pride, I'm going to guess or wager that that is someone who also struggles a great deal with shame. Because either way you look at it, whether it's pride or shame, there's a focus on yourself. It's thinking too much of yourself, whether you're thinking too highly of yourself or thinking too lowly of yourself. What you really want is godly, healthy humility, where you're secure enough in who you are in Christ that you don't have to focus on yourself. You can focus on others. You can focus on God. Right here where John says, "He must become greater, I must become less," I think that can be a call to all of us. I think when we think about he must increase and I must decrease, he and God's purpose in my life and for other people's lives must increase. And all of my stuff, all of my issues, everything I struggle with must decrease. So I encourage and pray that you and I, that we can continue our journey of working through our own stuff so that we can decrease and that he can increase. I pray that God's healing for our stuff can come full and that we can experience Christ in our lives and healthy humility so that we can focus less on ourselves and more on others as we continue in ministering for him.